Welcome to the 2023 Frater Awards. This year we've got 17 applications from across the organisation and they're all of a high calibre, so it'll be interesting to see who wins. The Frater Awards were named after Dr. Bob Frater, who was the inaugural chair of the Australian National Fabrication Facility. He was a great supporter of researchers, their careers, the science, and it'd be remiss for me not to mention Professor Chris Fell, who we lost in December, who was likewise very supportive of ANTH, the science, the researchers and their careers. In a minute, we'll be looking at the 2022 award winners. And as we watch them, just think to yourselves how you might consider applying for a Frater Award for 2024. Because as you'll see in the videos, and as you gain new insights and experience and training, both overseas and within Australia through the Frater Awards, you'll bring back new insights and new ways of doing things, and sharing that with your colleagues, and will be able to deliver more to a wider audience. It really is a win-win situation, these awards. So now let's look at the 2022 award winners.
Hi, I would like to thank ANFF for the opportunity to do an online course on sustainability, strategies and opportunities for industry. This was a course delivered by the MIT, and it was an 8-week course with a curriculum program, assignments, and live sessions on US time. It was definitely quite a bit of work for 2 months. And to juggle this with my normal duties at MCN, but I feel that it was definitely worth it. I feel that I'm a more confident sustainability leader now, that I understand a bit better the key concepts of sustainability, some basic metrics of sustainability, and that I'm now more comfortable coming up maybe with strategies and even suggesting policies to make our organization more sustainable. Thanks, ANFF.
Hi everyone, my Frater Award was for attending a business fundamental course at Cicada and a leadership course at UNSW AGSM. In the business fundamental course, we learn about value propositions, some accounting 101, and mostly how to make a pitch deck and deliver that to an audience of entrepreneurs, industry experts, and angel investors. In the leadership course, it ran over 3 weeks, and the biggest takeaway for that course for me is about setting directions and goals for your team members so they align with your vision, and then constantly communicating with them. The Frater Award has given me the opportunity to attend these courses which I would not otherwise have the time and support to be involved in. Both of these courses have definitely helped me with my current project that has a translational endpoint, and I just want to thank ANF for the award and support.
Hi everyone, I'm Anders Barlow from the Materials Characterisation and Fabrication platform at the University of Melbourne and the Victorian node of ANFF. My 2022 Frater Award focused on applications and maintenance training on our InVia confocal Raman and photoluminescence microscope. I spent 2 days one-on-one with a Renishaw engineer learning how to perform complete alignment and optimization of the microscope's optics and new diagnostic procedures for when issues arise. I also learned new methods of data acquisition using our newly installed photoluminescence detector, meaning our instrument is now highly capable in material, electronic, and optical characterization of devices. Since Renishaw is a UK company, getting rapid support can be a challenge, so gaining this expertise will allow us to keep our instrument operating at its best for longer, ensuring maximal outcomes for our users. Thank you to ANFF for making this opportunity possible.
Hello, I'm Michał Zawieta from Western Australian node of ANFF. I was awarded with Frater Award for atomic layer deposition training at Picosun's headquarters in Finland. During the visit, I was provided with advanced hands-on training where I learned about system operation, the development of new processes, as well as safe maintenance of the tool. I was able to work with several process engineers to understand challenges associated with ALD and the skills required for developing materials necessary for 2 flagship activities of ANFF WA node, MEMS and infrared detectors.
Hello, I am Himayatuddin, Senior Process Engineer at the MCN. My Frater Award trip allowed me to attend advanced trainings in Zurich and Munich, as well as a workshop in San Sebastian. As a bonus, it was summertime in Europe. So in addition, everything I learned, I was also able to explore some beautiful places during weekends and after hours. My first stop was Zurich, where I visited Heidelberg Instruments for advanced application training on thermal scanning probe lithography using the NanoFraser. I was exposed to the latest approaches for high-resolution 3D patterning, overlaying patterning of electrodes for 2D materials, and integration of large patterning using direct laser sublimation upgrade. My next stop was to visit NIESPEC's headquarters in Munich. Here I received advanced instruction on scanning near-field optical microscopy, focusing on nano FTIR, which was another recently upgrade to MCN Sonum system. During this training, I learned some critical tips for addressing issues with the complex optics and laser alignment, laser power, signal to noise ratio, and other topics. As a part of the NIESPEC leg of my trip, I was fortunate to be able to visit Professor Stephen Meyer's lab at Ludwig Maximilian University in Munich, where a special Sonum system is connected to an SI laser. My final stop was to attend a near-field optical nanoscopy summer school in beautiful San Sebastian, Spain. These two enhanced my understanding and awareness of the activity in this field. This trip has enhanced my understanding of these cutting-edge techniques, and I will help me to better support our users. I am already using my improved skills to drive to new process development projects using NanoFTIR and the NanoFraser. I will also present my recent NanoFraser work at upcoming direct write lithography workshop at ICON in February 2024. I want to say thank you to ANFF for supporting my continued professional development and learning.
A very big thank you for everyone that's put these videos together. So now let's go to the award winners for 2023.